Good morning to our lecturer and fellow friends. We are from Group 9 and today we are going to present our program. The first part of this program is declaring all the variables that needed in our program in various data types such as bytes, word, and double word. After that, the program will assign the address of string 1 to EDX and display it, following by an enter. This action will repeat using string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, and also string 6. This process is to display the menu for a guidance of user. This is the example of our menu. After we display the menu for user, it will go to the selection part according to user choice. Next, we will read the integer which input by the user and assign the integer into the variable choice. Then, the program will compare choice with an integer 1. If the integer that holds by variable choice is equal to 1, the program will jump to B to D part. If it is not equal to 1, the program will compare the variable choice with another integer 2. If the integer that holds by variable choice is equal to 2, the program will jump to D part. If the integer that holds by variable choice is not 1 and also not 2, but 3 or any other inputs, the program will jump to E and D part.
Hello, Doctor. I'm Lizai. Now I will explain two sections in our group project. The first section is B to D sections and D to B section. These two sections are used to instruct user what to do, get the number entered by the user, and display the prompt for the answer. In B to D section, first, we print the string 7, which is this line. Ask the user to enter 8-bit binary digit. Then we call read that. So we can read the number entered by the user, and that value will store in variable 1. Next, we print string 8, which is the decimal integers of. Then we call write that. So we can print the value that entered by the user just now. Then we print string 14, which is the binary sign just after the value. Lastly, we print is. So before this section ends, we also set the counter for the B decimal loop by move 8 to ECX.
Hello everyone, my name is Navin. Now I'll be explaining about the conversion of unsigned 8-bit binary into decimal number, which is the segment for B decimal loop. So at first we'll be move EDX 0, that means we'll be setting our EDX equals to 0. Then move EAX VR1, we'll move VR1 to EDX and we set it as dividend. And move EBX 10 will be set EBX equals to 10, which is will be acting as a divisor. Then line 82, it will be the operation of division. And line 83, move VR1, AX will be storing the quotient in VR1. And then move VR2 EDX will be storing the remainder in VR2. And then line 85 will be comparing AX with 8. Then line 86, if not equals to 8, it will jump to count total. Then when line 88 will move on to move EAX VR2, which is we will move VR2 to EX and set it as multiplicand. Then move EBX VR3, we'll move VR3 to EBX and set as multiplier. Then line 91 will be multiplying the EBX. Then add someone, EX will add product to someone. Then we will followed by loop B decimal. Will be move EX, someone. We'll move the value in someone to EX. Then we'll call write that. That means we'll be display the value in decimal. Then we'll move VR3, 1. We'll set VR3 equals to 1. Then move someone equals to 0. We will be setting our someone equals to 0. Then move edx, offset string 13 at line 99, which will get the address of string 13, and we'll call write string, which will be displaying the string. Then call clear f is to clear all the values. Then we'll jump menu, it will jump to the displaying menu. Then we'll move on to making a loop for count power of 2, starting at line 106, which is count total. Then we'll move ax, var3, then move ebx by 2. We'll move the value of 2 into ebx, then we'll be multiplying ebx. Then we'll move var3, ax, then we'll jump here. After all of it's done, it will be jumping to the menu.
The next section is D to B sections. This section is similar to the previous one. First, we print string 10, which is this line, ask the user to enter a decimal integers less than 256. Then we call read that. So we can read the value entered by the user. Then that value is stored in variable 4. Next, we print string 11, which is the binary of. After that, we call write that. Then we display the value entered by the user just now. Then we write string 13, which is the decimal sign just after the value. And finally, we will print the is. So same as the previous section, we also set the same counter for the binary loop. Only these two code is different. We will set EDI to 0 and we assign the address of some array to ESI. EDI will use as the index in the following coding. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is FARIS and I will explain conversion of positive decimal number into 8-bit binary number. So first at line 100, starting at 132, we will move AX VAR4. So this to move VAR4 to AX and set as dividend. Next, we will move BL to 2. This will set BL as to the value of 2 as divisor. Next, we will use the operation of division, div BL. So next, we will follow by move in bracket ESI plus CDI AH. This to store reminder in some array. Then we will move by PTR in bracket var4 al to this to store question in var4, followed by line 137. We will move word PTR in bracket ESI plus EDI. So this to move value stored in some array to AS. Next we will use function increment EDI. Then we will repeat the binary loop. Next, on line 141, we will move ECX to 8 to set the counter. Next, at line 142, we will move EDI 7. We will setting the EDI to the value of 7. Next, product bin, we will move AL in bracket sum plus EDI and by PTR in bracket ESI plus EDI. They will move store value in some array to AL, followed by we use the function of call write that. We will display value in decimal. Next, we will use the decrement of EDI. Next, we will loop the product bin to repeat the product bin loop. Next, on line 149, we will move EDI offset string 14 to get the address of string 14. Then we will will use the function for write string to display the output of string, and then we will call control F. Control F. This function is to clear all the value, and then we will jump menu to jump to the menu. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
When the program jumps to EEND part, it will assign the address of string 12 into EDX and display it. After display that string, the program will be ended. Thank you.